Hi all, welcome back to another video of mine, Sydney and NSW rail vlogs. I'm here at Petersham station, where this station was requested by this guy. You can see on the screen here. It's I love trains, and yeah. So I love trains. If you're watching this, good opportunity. I can't wait to see some good honks here. So everyone, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video.
Does not stop at this platform. Please stand behind the yellow line. Please stand clear. City Circle.
Anyway, guys, it's time for the official station tour. So we're on the platform here. That's two carriage train. Let me show you at the front. Yep. So let me just show you at the front quickly. This train looks like an S set to me. And it's just a little yard track here. Yep, so that may be an S set. So guys, I don't know if it's an S set or not. Many believe it looks like an L set. But guys, if you do know what the set is, I mean, it does look like a set. But if you guys know what it exactly is, let me know in the comments below, please. Anyway, so we're just doing a station tour. We're just doing, a station tour. That's...
For your safety,
Hold on,
please
we can just skip
remain
this.
behind the yellow line at all times.
Okay, we just got the water arriving, but we don't have to film it right now. So, this is the toilets. Unfortunately, it's locked. So, yep, unfortunately this is locked. This is platform 1, trains to the Parramatta, Liverpool, T2 line to Parramatta, and T3 to Liverpool. Yep, so we're just touring the station as well. Just still on the tour. We have the station master area here where and we have to tap on and tap off. We can top up Opal cards here. We can see the bridge over there. This is where you can have your nice cold drinks here. This is where you have your cold drinks. Accidentally kicked mine. We have stairs here. Yep, we have the stairs here. That's the sign to the lift. So I'd rather take the stairs. And there's a bridge.
The next train to arrive on platform 2 goes to Parramatta via Strathfield. First stop Lewisham, then Summer Hill, Ashfield, Corwin,
Okay, so when we go upstairs or up the lift, this is a street, and we have the other side where you can take that lift to head down to that road. So yeah, that's my overview of Petersham station. Yeah, and we're just gonna film some more trains here for you guys on the bridge view. By the way, stamps are below. So yeah, so timestamps are below this video on the description. So this is all my overview of the station. So we're just gonna do some more train spotting here, and then yeah. And yeah, this is all our overview of the station. So that's our overview of the station. So we still have some trains to film here, and we can also see airplanes here. You can obviously see that over there. The plane's not that high from the ground, but anyway, yep, we have more trains to film. So, anyways, Thank you, driver. Alright, now I'm on the other side. So hopefully we give the quality a change. So we have a train coming. Thank you, driver. Good job. Thank you, driver. You're the GOAT. Good job.
Why are you wearing the biggest pants known to man? I was like, because I'm gonna sit in the movie. I am so excited.
Filming one more Marion. And Warta. Oh, a train race. Which one do you think will win? Anyway, yeah, so like, okay, I'll see you all in my next video. I have to go now, so, I'll see you all in my next video. Please hit the notification button, and I'll see you all in my next video.
The next train to arrive
Cheers,
on
everyone.
platform 2.